Welcome to my Paraphernalia kit, where I'm going to show you how to make a paracord person, paracord keyring and a paracord bracelet. You'll have all of the stuff that you need in your kit to enable you to make each one. I'm going to start off by making this little person. So in your kit, find your 2 bits of paracord, a coloured bit and a sort of a patterned bit and a plain bit. And the plain bit, which is the shorter bit, you need to first of all, this is going to be his body or her body, you need to make little feet. So just at the end, tie a little knot, a little hand over knot by making a hole, making a loop and poking the end through. Those are his feet. And the other end, this end, will be his head. Now this is the working rope, so we're going to be working along this bit with the other piece of rope. Measure your other bit until you can find the centre point, and then we're going to place that underneath like that. Now this is a bit tricky, so you have to fold one end of your working coloured pattern rope over your little body, and then so that's that end is here, and then the other bit, the other end, traps this one here and then goes underneath his head and up through the loop that you made, and then you're going to try and tighten it as best you can in the middle. These are his little legs. And then we do the same, but we go the opposite way. So here I would say that this is a bridge. This knot makes a loop and a bridge. So the side that the bridge is the side that comes over the top. So that one goes over the top now. This one comes over, traps this one, goes underneath the body and up through this hole, and then we pull. Now you have the bridge on that side, so it's this side that goes over the top, trap this one over, under the body, you can see I've gone under the body and up. So now the bridge is on this side. So you go over the top, trap it with that one, underneath the body and up through the hole and pull. This side, so over, trap, underneath, up through the hole. Alternate, so it's this side, over, trap that one, come underneath the body, it's like a figure of 8, and up through there and pull. A couple more, and I've not made mine equal in the middle, my first knot, so my little man's going to have, can you see him taking shape? He's going to have odd shaped arms, odd length arms, but that doesn't matter because you can cut them. So I would make little hands in the end if you wanted to do that, by doing the same that you did on the other end. One little hand there, and then I would probably cut that, otherwise I've got a very strange person with a long arm, but that's okay. Hey, there's your little person. Isn't he cute? And you can do the same thing for your keyring. So in your keyring kit, you've got one length of paracord and a keyring. It's exactly the same knot for all 3 things. Now how I would do this would be slip this through halfway, so make this into half, slip this through halfway, turn it round so you've got the loop at the bottom, and then you're going to do the same thing. This is the bit that you're working down, So you're going to have a loop over the top. This is the first tricky one because you've got to secure that. Loop over the top, and then this is the other loop, comes underneath. Pull it tight just to secure that. And then you've got the bridge here. So this is the one that goes over the top. Trap this under, pull underneath here and up and pull. Now if you wanted to make a keyring that was curly like this, you don't alternate, you do the same one on each side. So I will put this loop over the top each time. Trap that one, come up through there. Remember, you're not using the bit that you're working, the working rope, you're just using the two lengths. So if I keep having the same one on top, trap that one and up through it, you'll see that this then begins to twist. You see it twisting? And then keep going to the end, there we go. Keep going all the way to the end, and then you can do the same thing. You can cut the ends when you've run out of rope, and get somebody to help you, and just to run the end to seal it under a little flame. There we go, that's that one.